Hey guys, how are you? It's Randy Bable here, principal broker of 10 Realty and 10 commercial properties. I'm here in Dandridge, Tennessee, and I've got one of the most beautiful farm properties I think you're ever going to see. So for the next few minutes, I'm going to take and show you around, and I think, especially if you're a horse person, you're really going to love it. Now, it all begins with beautifully restored 1907 farmhouse. About 3,000 square feet in size, 5 bedrooms, and comes complete with beautiful antique furniture. Let's go in and take a look. But now this is what I really consider the heart of the whole property. This beautiful, fully stocked pond that's visible from many of the windows inside the house. But what a great place to throw a line in, catch yourself a fish, and you know what? Dogs love it as well. Get her out. But the house, the land, and the setting are only really part of the story of this great property. If you're into all things equestrian, well, this is where it gets really interesting. Come on, let's go take a look. Now, this just isn't a barn with a few stalls. These main stables have been purpose-built for horse care. Each one of the stalls have padded floors and automatic waters for the horses. There's also a couple of dedicated foaling stalls. And there's a tack and feed rooms and even a hot and cold wash station for the horses. Now you gotta take care of the boys who are working on the farm. Now behind the stables, well, we got ourselves a bunk room. And inside, well, you're gonna find it's fully self-contained with its own kitchen, bathroom, shower, and even a laundry. Now this space really is the heart of the whole equestrian operation. This indoor arena, about 60 feet wide, about 110, 120 feet long or so. We have this great sand base, a viewing platform, PA system, and the large opening doors at either end. Now, when you're standing here inside this arena, you can really appreciate the scale of what's been built on this great property. Now, behind the arena, there's a specialized horse handling and exercise area. And when you see this, you understand just exactly how specialized this property really is. You've got the preferred circular horse walker, handling pens, gates, and other supporting equipment already in place. There's even a secondary stable and work area, which gives the owner additional flexibility for a training area, a livery, a vet space, or simply separating different horses within the operation. And outside, the paddocks, the corral, the grazing areas, well, it connects everything together. But what's important here is that all the infrastructure, it's already in place. And it doesn't stop with just equestrian facilities on this property. They've even got a greenhouse. Large maintenance shed. commercial kitchen. Now, as I said at the beginning, this really is a fabulous property. And I obviously can't put everything in a short video to tell you all about it. So I've set up a website right here below. Click on that link and go there because you're going to find more photos, information, and most importantly, full walkthrough videos of the house, the arena, the stables, and everything that makes this property as good as what it is. To give me a call and get out here and take a look, I'm Randy Bable. My details are right down here below. Pick up the phone and give me a holler, and let's see if we can get out here and make it yours. I look forward to hearing from you. Now, where's my dog? Brox, where are you, mate?